Now, let's say that I want to switch. I signed up for something and I can no longer attend. Let's say that I have signed up for the in-person event in Madison. I have applied my tokens. You see I have 8 tokens. Confirm I now have 0 tokens and I am successfully enrolled. But turns out I can't attend this. I don't want to attend this. I want to cancel my enrollment for this class and then apply those tokens to a webinar. So I can do that simply coming in here and cancel my enrollments. You'll see the 8 tokens have been returned to my account. I can then go in and find a webinar and reapply those 8 tokens to a webcast. Very simple, just a couple of button pushes gets you out of one event and into another.